Hello, Namaste, Adab. This is As Muhammad Khan, and I again welcome you on the same platform but with different topic student. Today we will discuss about the problems related to physics and how can we solve those problems. Today I will give you the tricks related to the solving of the numericals. First, we will do this question. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain velocity of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. Calculate acceleration. So first, what should you do, student? You should read the question carefully. So first trick I am giving you that you should read once or twice the question. So it is the first trick. You read the question carefully. Now what will you do? You will try to find the given quantities given, and one by one you will write all those given quantities. Means you will find. So what are the given here? Starting from a stationary position. Stationary means the object is in rest position in the starting. So what will be its initial velocity? Initial velocity will be 0. So what is it? It is 0 meter per second. Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain velocity of 6 meter per second. Now, what is it? It is final velocity. So V is here 6 meter per second. In 30 seconds. So the time duration is also given in this question. And what is it? It is 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Calculate acceleration. So what we will try to find out, that is acceleration. Acceleration means the rate in the change in velocity. So that we will try to find out. Now, after reading we find the physical quantity. So it is the second trick, find the quantities. So find all the quantities that are given in the question that we have found out. Now understand the question. Now we understand it, and what we remind the formula that we can apply in this. So in understanding, after the understanding we apply the formula. Formula is here V minus U upon T. So this is the formula from which we can get the acceleration. Now all the given quantities we will put in the applied formula. So what is here? It is 6 meter per second. It is 0, and it is 30 seconds. So here we write 30 seconds. So now 6 upon 30, 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 we will get. Now we will write this answer in points, in decimals we will write. So what will be it? Point we will put here, point, and we will take the permission 0.2 meter per second square. So it is the acceleration, 0.2 meter per second square. So with the help of this trick you can get the answer of the question in the physics that are related to numericals. So what is that trick? With the help of one code you can learn that: read, find, understand, apply and solve. So what is it? It is rough edge. Rough edge is the code from which you can easily find the answer of the numericals. related to physics. Like if you will find the quantity and if you will write that, then those quantities finding marks you will also get. Like if the question carry the 2 marks, then what will you get? You will get 1/4 marks here, means you will get half marks here. And if you put the formula, then again you get the half. And if you calculate the complete, then you will get next one, and total 2 marks you will get in the question. So like this you will solve the problems related to physics. So what is the code? Read, find, understand, apply and solve. So reading and understanding play very important role to solve the problem. So students, in this question, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and distance covered by car. So in this, what we will do first, we will read it. So we have read it. Now after that we will try to find out the given quantities given. So what is given here? Here a car from 18 km per hour, 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. So what is 18 here? It is its initial velocity, that is given in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. And what is final velocity? It is 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour. Time is also given here. What is it? It is 5 seconds. 5 second time is given. What we will try to find out? We will try to find out the acceleration. Acceleration we will try to find out. Distance we will try to find out. Distance. So these are the 2 quantities that we will try to find out. So read, find. So we have found here the physical quantities that are given or that are asked in the question. So that we have written. Now what we will do in this, there are the no combination of the quantities. Like second, it is in SI, but kilometer per hour is not in SI unit. So what we will do, we will convert it. Like 18 we will convert into meter per second. So if we will multiply it with a simple trick, 5 upon 18, then we will get it in meter per second. So what is it? It is 5 meter per second. Again it is 36. Again multiply by 5 upon 18. So what will be it? It will be in 10 meter per second. So now we have got all the quantities in similar unit, meter per second or second. Now what will we do? We will write the formula of this. What is the formula of acceleration here? V minus u upon t. If you will put these quantities here, what is v here? It is 10. What is u here? It is 5. What is time here? Time is 5. So what is it? It is 5 upon 5. From this 5, this will be cut, and what answer we will get? 1 meter per second square. This answer we will get here. So what is it? It is the answer of acceleration. So answer of acceleration we will get here. What is it? It is 1 meter per second square. So this answer we will get. After that, what is asked here? Distance is asked. So again we remind our brain and remind the formula. What is it? It is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So in this formula we will put all these quantities. U is here, what is it? 5 multiplied by 5 half. What is here? It is 1, so it does not write here, we will not write here. What is time here? Time is given here 5, so we will write it as 5 square. So when we will calculate it, the answer that we will get will be 37.5 meter. 37.5 meter. So this answer we will get here, 37.5. So in this manner we can solve the problems related to physics. First, read the question. After that, find the physical quantities that are given. After that, you understand the question, that what is asked in the question. After understanding, you apply the formula that you can use and apply all those quantities that are given in the question. And after the applying the quantities, you solve that problem. So with the help of this trick, you can easily solve. And there is another thing that also plays very important role, is the conversion of unit. So unit should be matched. Means if you are converting the unit, like if this 5 seconds you will convert it into hours, then your question may be right. If you are converging this, means you are converting kilometer per hour into meters per second, then your answer will be correct. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. So you should be careful in the conversion of the units, that it is needed or not needed. So after this, we will solve another problem. So again, we are with the different problem. That is, a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? So what we will do, if you will read this, then you will find only one quantity here. But in this, there are the more than 2 quantities are given in the question. So first what we will do, we will read it. So we have that. Now we will find the quantities that are given. Acceleration is given here. What is the acceleration here? It is 4 meter per second square. Acceleration is given. Time is given here. What is the time? It is 10 seconds. 10 second time is given. And another quantity is also given in this question. Can you tell me that which quantity is given here? Yes, student, tell me. Which quantity is given here? Yes, tell me. Again you read. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? So what is written here? After start. So when a car start, then what it has? It has zero velocity. So what is the velocity here? It is 0. What distance will it cover? What distance will it cover in after start? After start. So distance you will try to find out here. So the equation of the motion that you will, now we have read this, find this, understand this. Now we apply the formula. Which formula we can use here? Which equation of motion we can use here? Yes, tell me. It is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So this equation we can use to find the distance. Now what is u here? U is 0. What is time here? It is 10. What is acceleration here? 4. What is time here? It is 10. So it will become, when we multiply any number from 0, then what we get? We get 0. Here it will be 2. So 2 multiplied by 100. What will the answer here? It is 200 meters. So this is the answer of this question. So now I am sure, student, that you have get the trick from which you can solve the problems related to physics. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.